See, a train, very good Umaira, a train traveling 360 kilometer with uniform speed. We don't know what is the speed, so we will take solution. Let the speed of train be x kilometer per hour. Okay, now wait, I'm not going to see the chat section. So distance is 360, right? If the speed had been 5 kilometer per hour more, if the speed would have been 5 kilometer per hour more, then it would have taken 1 hour less. We know already the formula. Speed is equal to distance by time. So time is equal to distance by speed. That I am going to do. Time is equal to distance 360 kilometer. The speed of that train is x. Next again, another part. Distance is same 360 kilometer, but this time the speed would have been, speed is what? Speed is what? 5 kilometer per hour more. So we will write 5 kilometer per hour more, and it would have taken how much hour less? It would have taken 1 hour less. So it would have taken, this is time t it has taken, so this will take t minus 1. It has taken time t, it will take t minus 1. What time it has taken from that 1 hour less, this train will take. Okay, so to make it a same, this one we will take this side. This is equation 1 we will make. T is equal to 360 divided by x plus 5, here plus 1. This plus 1 will come. You can see this is equation 2. Now we will take from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, we can write the left hand side is equal. This is first, this is second. Both side tt is there, so we can write right hand side equal 360 by x is equal to 360 by x plus 5 plus 1. Now, this you can take this side, you will get your 360 divided by x minus 360 divided by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Now we can take LCM here. We can take LCM here. LCM is x of x plus 5. Here you multiply with x plus 5 and here you will multiply with x. So you will get here 360 into x, we will get 360x. Directly I am multiplying, see, 360 I am multiplying with x and also with 5. So 360 into x, 360x plus 360 into 5, 5 zeros are 0, 5 6 are 30, 5 3 are 15, 18 will get 1800. Okay, and we get here minus 360x is equal to 1. You can cancel this 360x and 360x here. So remaining part will be 1800 divided by x into x, x square plus 5x is equal to 1. Cross multiplication we will do. So we will get here 1800 is equal to x square plus 5x. Because into 1 we will do. This we will take here. You can get an equation. Sorry, this is not 5x square. 5x it is. Now you can factorize it, or you can do the factorization, or you can use the equation. Whatever you like to use it. $1800 is there. 2 9s are, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 5 4s are 5 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. I know I need the difference 5, so I will take 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8 8 5s are 40, and remaining is what? 5 3s are 15 15 3s are 45. Very good, we got it. We needed a minus 1800. We can write what? 40 and 45. So 45 and 40 minus 40. X square plus 45x minus 40x minus 1800 equals to 0. X common, x plus 45 minus 40 common, x plus 45. Answer will get x is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 45. So therefore you can write what? Speed of train is equal to x is equal to 40 kilometer per hour. All the questions are bigger. All the questions are bigger. See, today concentrate. Akila, right answer. See, here we have a two train. One is express train we have, another is passenger train. Obviously, tell me which train will reach to destination faster? Which train will reach to destination faster according to you? Which train will reach? Yeah, Zora. Correct, Arun. Very good. Express train will correct, Tanushri Rakshita. Obviously, express train will reach to destination faster because the express train speed will be more. Okay. So we can have a two trains comparison here. So express train takes 1 hour less. You have to keep this 1 hour less. To travel what distance? To travel 132 kilometer. Mysore to Bangalore. Average speed of express train is 11 kilometer per hour more than passenger. So we will write let the speed of passenger train be x kilometer per hour. Then you understood what will be the speed of express train. Then speed of express train, you know the speed of express train will be what? It will be the speed of express train will be x plus 11. I wrote this extra. If you want, you can. Next. Now same way we will do it. Time for express train and time for passenger train. So this we will do for passenger now. Passenger train. Time is equal to distance is 132 and divided by speed of the passenger train is x. Chetas, understood? And here we will go for express train. The distance is same 132 only, but the speed is this time x plus 11. So whatever the time passenger train will take t, this express train will take 1 hour less. So minus we should write. Okay. This is your equation 1. Understood now? Understood now? Okay, Chetas. So actually this you should do by your own. Shweta, understood? So t is equal to 132 divided by x plus 11 plus 1. Equation 2. Right, Soumya? So now we will take from 1 and 2. From 1 and 2, what we can write? This is now simple like previous. The one student who is working hard and practicing well, they are getting the answer. Okay, this we will take here. So we will get 132 by x minus 132 divided by x plus 11 is equal to 1. No, Shashi. I don't know why other students are not able to say. Actually, they should say. Supriya, right. So LCM is here x of x plus 11. You multiply with x plus 11 here. You multiply with your x. 132 into x, we will get 132x. Understood, Vindhya? Now tell me what I will write. 132 into x, we will get 132. Now tell me what I should write. Rakshita, Nikita, right? Supriya, right? Shashi, no. What I should write? Very good, Shivan Gowda. 132 into x, we multiplied 132x. Now we should multiply 132 into 11. 132 into 11, what will get to us? What will get to us? 1452, yes. Minus 132x is equal to 1. So this 132x and 132x will get cancelled. You are not working hard still, Vindhya. So you are not able to do. So I will do here now. 1452 divided by x into x square plus 11x is equal to 1. Cross multiplication you do. You will get 1452 is equal to x square into 1 x square plus 11x. Get this 1452 here. You will get a perfect equation which you can write x square plus 11x minus 1452 equals to 0 over. This is the equation. Now you can simplify by factorization or by formula method.